smell it now. It smells delicious. If your house is anything like mine, you hear what's for dinner every night. Well, I've got the answer. 1 sticky pork mince stir fry, and it makes 2 delicious dinners. So it's time to get some pork on your fork. This sweet and delicious stir fry is a great go-to midweek meal. It's great for the kids and it freezes really well. So you can make a double batch and have it on hand for another night. To start things off, we're going to make our sauce. Simply whisk together the tomato sauce, vinegar, soy sauce, and corn flour in a jug. I've drained the pineapple chunks and reserved the juice. It's about 1/3 cup. So add this to the sauce and then pop it to one side. Now it's time to get cooking. Let's pop the wok on. Add half the oil into your wok. You can also use a large frying pan. And we're going to add half of our pork mince. Pork mince is great for this recipe because it's quick to cook and it's budget friendly, making it perfect for families. Give it a little stir fry. Oh, look at how lovely and golden and crispy it's getting. Now our second batch of pork is done. We'll transfer that to the plate. Now it's time to cook our vegetables. So reduce the heat to medium and add the remaining oil to the wok. And add our veg. We've got some zucchini, coarsely chopped onion, and a finely chopped red capsicum. So we're going to stir this for 4 to 5 minutes until it softens slightly. Our veggies have got some nice colour, so we're going to add our garlic and the ginger. Give that a stir fry for about 30 seconds until it's nice and aromatic. Oh, you should smell it. It smells beautiful. Time to pour in the sauce and mix that through the veggies. We're going to bring that to the boil and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. So now we're going to take our pork mince and pop that into our sauce, and we'll add in our reserved pineapple pieces, and we'll give that all a stir fry together. Now that's our delicious sticky pork mince stir fry, and you can enjoy it just as it is, but it is so versatile that you can make it again and again and the family will not get bored of it. Let me show you how to serve it up 2 different ways. I've microwaved my rice and now I'm going to add it to my prepared sticky pork mince stir fry over a medium-high heat for 1 to 2 minutes until it's tossed through and combined. And we get it all nice and coated. Then I'm going to sprinkle with sliced green shallots, and there you have it, a bright, colourful and delicious meal that even the fussiest eaters will love. If you've frozen the pork mince stir fry, defrost in the fridge and simply reheat over a very low heat. Then it's ready to go. I've cooked the noodles according to packet instructions. I like to put a little bit of the noodles into crisp cos lettuce cups. Top them with my sticky pork mince stir fry and some shallots and a little bit of crushed peanuts, and then we're ready to serve. There you have it, the ultimate sticky pork mince stir fry that you can turn into 2 new, easy and delicious meals for the family.